How to hide the subscriber details of your YouTube channel. Let me help you. First, go to any browser in your phone, just like I did in my Chrome browser, and type studio.youtube.com. And then you'll get this interface. Go to the top right corner and check that your account is logged in. Now go to the bottom left and tap the settings icon. There you need to go to the channels and then to the advanced settings. Now scroll down and you need to uncheck that subscriber count button, and then you're ready to go. That's it. Bingo! Now you have hidden your subscriber details. Subscribe. Thank you so much.